Holy moly! Yes, so we are going to fight Pandit League. This is our semi-final and finals today, happening at Invictus, Cunningham Road. Welcome to Bangalore traffic, guys. And ये क्या है? Happy जन्माष्टमी. So सौमिक, आज का आपका क्या गेम प्लान है? आई होप हविश ने आपको काफी कुछ सिखाया होगा when we were having the a camp for these event, the Fight Pandit League.
Yeah.
So,
Today, mostly, I think Flamingo people, they mostly try to take K-guard position, that how to escape and counter back K-guard.
अभी हमारे पास अनिल भाई भी है. अनिल भाई,
हाय
ऐसा फील हो रहा है अभी आप लोग का टीम जा रहा है?
बढ़िया, अच्छा फील हो रहा है. प्रीटी कॉन्फिडेंट पीपल, एवरीवन इज सुपर कॉन्फिडेंट कि आज करेंगे कुछ अच्छा.
Okay. How do you feel about this Fight Pandit League?
I'm really excited. I was looking forward to this for the last 2-3 weeks. I'm probably not going to be competing today, but just for the team, morale, cheerlead. That's my role mostly today. But if the need be, I'll definitely step up.
Well, what's your game plan let's say if you enter the arena?
If I enter the arena, I'll just try to remember, whatever I've been training for over the last few months and try to implement that there. I feel my wrestling is better than my BJJ, so I will try to probably wrestle a little more than BJJ. Yep, that's pretty much it.
मोटा हो गया ब्रो, मोटा हो गया. देखो 170 का हो गया, 71 kg. So DDP versus Kamzat is happening. What's your pick, bro?
I think DDP is gonna take it in his words, by whatever it takes.
No way.
He can do anything. He might slip on a banana peel. He might do whatever the fuck, but he's gonna somehow get the win.
I think Hamza is easy. First 5 or 10 seconds, he just directly goes shoot because DDP is like bowling type kind of guy. Hamza is like pure, like speed. And his interview also, he's wolf. His interview, even his coaches say every day he spar with 10 different guys. So DDP no chance.
I think I think Kamzat will win. DDP is good. So every time somehow is finding out the way to win. But I think the amount of relentless pressure we get from Kamzat in initial rounds, the moment the fight starts, I think that will be too much for DDP to handle. But if he survives for like 3-4 rounds, then I think maybe he has a chance. But yeah, it will be very difficult for DDP to survive Kamzat tomorrow.
You can see we have a lot of Kamzat supporters. Rohan is gonna lose the bet tomorrow with me, and I'm going to get the bonus. तो हम लोग पहुंच गया इधर अभी Invictus Cunningham Road. सब उतर रहा है, अंदर जाके देखते हैं. Lovely weather in Bangalore. Hey, Sama, what are you doing there? हम लोग पहुंच गए यहाँ पे Invictus. It's on the top floor. This is the building. Boys are here, and one more guy, Shama, is waiting here. Oi! Say hi to the camera. Who are you?
Shama.
Game plan, bro.
Backup.
We are backup, bro. You are not backup.
Yes, here it is the venue. यहाँ पे खाने वाने का जगह है. And you can see Devo Bhai is here. Hello, sir. हाथ नहीं दिख रहा है. What's up, Ashwin? How are you? So yeah, everybody is here ready for the finals and semi-finals. Coming. Hello, sir.
What, sir?
Welcome.
Sir,
Yes, so boys are here ready, and I'm also ready. I'll be fighting in the semi-finals and hopefully in the finals also. And yeah, they have set up the match properly, and the event is great, 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 great. Fight Pandit League episode 1, great. What do you think about your own team, Kranos MMA?
Kranos MMA, they are the best. I'm expecting that you guys will raise it, all the way, right? Get that first match out of the way.
Well, we were here just for fun, but
Yeah, now it's getting like it's almost there. Might as well go and get it.
yeah, now we are serious. Look at them, look at them. So yeah, now we are getting serious, and we wanna really win this.
I'm sure. You guys, I'm backing you guys. From behind the commentary box.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Just filling up the waiver. We are going to fight, so we have to tell people that I'm okay. We're going to fight. We're going to win. We're doing the waiver.
Bangalore का माहौल ऐसा है ना. The weather over here is really 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 nice. और देखो अभी कैसा लग रहा है. The atmosphere is great. The air is great. Everything about Bangalore is great. अरे हाविश भी आ गया इधर. भूख लगा है भाई. So we are trying to refuel for our coming fight. We have our first bout with team Flamingo Jiu-Jitsu, and my boys are ready to rumble inside. Right. Yeah. So Havish, tomorrow DDP versus Kamzat is happening. So what's your pick, man?
Main event. Kamzat, bro. Kamzat.
Yay! So
I think it's gonna be tough for Kamzat. I'm not saying it's going to be easy. After the first round, we have to see.
well, he is the reigning champion right now, right? DDP.
Rico Duplessis, yes. But
It will be a tough fight, but again, our hopes are in Kamzat.
Kamzat, yes, but like he's never fought 5 rounds before. In the match, it's different. He can do it. His coaches are like, oh, we'll do it in training, but training and match is different.
Yes.
When it comes to the match, you'll understand. We have to see. Let's see.
Well, I have a
But
bet.
I have Kamzat. I like it.
Well, I have a bet with Rohan. 500 rupees, guys. 500 rupees.
Rico Duplessis.
Yeah.
That's a bad odds, bro. You should bet online. Rico Duplessis is gonna pay more.
But
Because he's betting on the favorites. Kamzat is a
before people's favorite, I have already told them that I'm going to bet on Kamzat because I have seen him train, and I take him as an inspiration.
Kamzat is what, plus 250, something like that.
Damn, that's a lot. That's a lot.
Plus 230.
Oh.
Yeah, that's yes. What if DDP knocks out Kamzat?
He'll slip on a banana peel and knock him out. well, no. Let's not jinx it. Because I'll lose my 500.
He's gonna fuck, bro. DDP is it's Kung Fu Panda shit.
So, muskmelon juice है यहाँ पे. आलू टिक्की burger. Not my favorite, but order कर लिया, खा के देखते हैं.
If we win.
And this is the chicken roll. Nice presentation. Oh, one more thing is here. So this is the grill sandwich. Chicken grill sandwich, actually. देखते हैं खा के. खाने का दिखाऊंगा नहीं. Okay. Nice. Someone can have some tomato sauce to make it really, really saucy. grill sandwich. Rishabh one.
What happened at Kaizen Weather? Everyone backed up from Kaizen.
Potato wedges.
It's like, I think
भाई कॉफी के बिना तो हमारा दिन चलता नहीं. So filter coffee है आपका. Sip लेते हैं.
Tea or coffee?
This is filter coffee.
I'm asking you, tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Why do you always have tea whenever we go out?
Oh no, I love tea, but I like coffee also.
So you prefer tea to coffee?
Yeah. Last bite, guys. A big one.
your levels will go like this and it will crash. But without
By the way, I'm a very big foodie. So अभी जो फ्यूचर में व्लॉग्स आने वाले हैं उसमें ज़्यादातर मैं जगह जगह जाके बेंगलोर में खाने का ही ज़्यादा व्लॉग्स बनाऊंगा.
fight vlog, yeah, bro. This is fight vlog.
Fight blog plus food blog. So it's FF vlog.
Food vlog, fighting on the side.
Yeah. I'm a foodie. I'm a fighter. Double F.
Foodie first or fighter?
Foodie first. I'm sorry.
Ravin pulls guard with his connection and Ravin passes. Not yet completely. Ravin manages to recover guard.
बहुत खा लिया अभी भी आ रहा है. बहुत खाएंगे. फेवरेट नूडल्स आ गया भाई. आविश का तो हो गया. आविश.
हाँ ब्रो.
पेट भर गया इसका. छोटा पेट है. Good. What's up?
Nothing much. Enjoying good food.
How do you feel?
We'll log over that later.
Okay. Cool. होए. मजा आ गया. देखो ये है चर्च स्ट्रीट बेंगलोर का. देख रहे हो ऐसा है क्राउड. So guys, this is the चर्च स्ट्रीट बेंगलोर का सबसे फेमस जगह. लेकिन देखो कितना ट्रैफिक है भाई. बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.